Hey guys, how's it going? Today I bring you an empty driveway, and I'm going to talk to you about why I have an empty driveway. Obviously, for those of you that follow the channel, I still have my mom's Volvo, the '07 XC90. It's still running pretty strong, but outside, there's way less cars than there was about a month ago. For those of you who know, I sold my 4Runner a long time ago. Still have some remnant pieces of it. Ghost of Christmas Past. I still have some Durabum stickers from my Lexus. There's a few remaining parts in here, but for the most part, all of my car tinkering days are kind of over. So in case you can't tell, what used to be parked right here was my beautiful blue 2006 Lexus GX470. I had lifted that thing on Dobson suspension. I had nice wheels on it. I had put a new transmission in it. It was my daily driver for a year and a half, and I loved that car. The V8 just sang. But it got horrendous gas mileage. It got about 9-10 miles per gallon, and with the way gas prices are around here, there was about 450 plus to fill it up. It was just too much. I also had another gold Lexus GX470. That's what used to be parked over here, and that thing was pretty cool. That was kind of more of a parts car, and I tried to, and a little bit of a flip car too. And then we also have a green 2015 Prius. Currently, we still have that one. My dad drives it to work, but soon he's going to be getting a new car, and I will be selling my Prius once he does that. And then I also had, for a brief period, I had a 2021 Camry hybrid, and that was supposed to replace all this stuff, but I didn't feel right with that car. It was a great car, but I didn't feel right with it, so I gave that one back to CarMax, where I had bought it from. And then we also have my grandfather's 1993 Ford F-250, and we sold that thing pretty quickly. We had no use for it. It was just an extra vehicle. So that kind of sums it up. Oh, my brother also got a 2006 Acura RL. We still have that thing around. But all of my personal vehicles are sold. So that's why I've been borrowing my friend's 2000 Toyota Camry.
They say that this sound makes her last video in her camera roll hot.
I walk in like a timepiece. I go straight to be.
It's great. It has 168,000 miles on it. It's a V6. It has one leather seat. The rest are cloth. All right, so a few of the cars I had a Scion FRS 2013. That thing was awesome. It was another car that I was flipping. It made quite a bit of money on that one. Had it for a few months. Loved driving that car. We also had the van for my entire life. Basically, it was our company work vehicle, and we got rid of that a couple years ago. Um, Also, the gray GX I had, the project one, that one has also since been sold to a new owner who loves it. I've seen some photos of what the guy did to it. He put steel bumpers on it, a tire carrier, a winch, and it's looking really sharp these days. I'm really happy I went to a great home. Another vehicle was the blue 4Runner I had. Sold that one for the blue GX, and now as you know, the blue GX is also gone. What else have I had? For one video was the high mileage versus low mileage silver GX470. That was another flip car that me and my brother shared. I had that one for a few months as well. It was a fun little project. Um, and so in total, I have owned 4 Lexus GX470s in the span of a year and a half at 19, 20 years old. So I think I'm probably the only person that's ever done that. So I'm kind of proud of that. Alright guys, so here it is. I haven't lost my mind. I haven't gone crazy. I haven't just sold all my stuff on a whim. It definitely broke my heart a little bit to see the blue one drive away. That one was my baby, and I put a lot of heart and soul into that thing. But it was all worth it. I really want a Tesla. And right now, with the way the market is, the new ones are cheaper than the used ones, and you get to have the full warranty with them. You get the benefit of it being the latest one, because with Teslas, they change them every month. There's something new with them. They don't wait for model years, as most people know. Just that in the last 2 months, they added this trim here that didn't used to be there. They also added the heated steering wheel. This new console is new for 21. There's a lot of little updates that have just made the car a much nicer car. So I got a long range dual motor, and I opted for the white paint. I got the standard wheels. I got the white interior though, because the white interior is softer in my experience. The few that I've seen, they're softer. So this should be coming in about late December, early January. I look forward to making videos about it, documenting it, and sharing it with my friends and talking about their experiences with it. So I'm really excited to branch out into this new scene within the car world. The Prius was definitely kind of the gateway drug that got me into hybrid and electric cars. I really enjoyed the quirkiness of the Prius and its powertrain and how much money I was saving on gas. Um, so I'm super excited to have this thing going forward and no more maintenance. Obviously, that was a huge thing with my Lexuses. While they were a blast, they were horrible with maintenance, as I talked about earlier. So it's been fun with gas cars. I've had a lot of really great experiences. I've met some really cool people. I've definitely gone to some really awesome kind of off-roady truck events. That was a blast, and I still look forward to keeping in touch with those people, but also making a lot of new friends in the electric world. So I hope you'll come along the journey, and I'll keep you guys updated when the car comes in. Thank you.